Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around what must be one of the highest specification Jaguar F-Paces I've ever had for sale. And this car is a 2017 registered car, super low mileage, just done over 25,000 miles, finished in Santorini Black Metallic, and has got over, let me tell you, £14,000 worth of factory options. £14,000 of factory options. I can't believe it. When you go around the car, there's some options on this car I have never ever seen, and to be fair, we've sold many Jaguar F-Paces, so let's have a quick look round her. So as you can see straight away, we're in Santorini Black Metallic, and then we've got the 19-inch double spoke alloy wheels. Now they're in perfect condition and they're all riding on a set of matching Continental tyres. Now this particular car, as you can see from the glass, has got infrared glass. The windscreen's sort of actuating. Now this car externally has the black exterior package, so that gets all the grills, all the detail in the bumpers, high gloss black. The front grille then is high gloss black. As you can see there, the forward facing camera, this has 360-degree cameras and also parallel parking system. Panoramic glass roof up there and privacy glass also. But the car is absolutely gorgeous. As I say, whoever has owned this vehicle, when you're looking even at the MOT history, it is doing minimal miles all the way through its life. Power vents are also high gloss black. Sorry about the rain here in Wigan today, but as we look down the car, it's in wonderful order. We've got the keyless entry smart key there, but the overall condition of this vehicle is as good as I'll ever see. All the wheels, as I say, are riding on the Continental tyres, and all the wheels are in, well, nearly as new order. So as I come round the back, we've then got the privacy glass, the tailgate spoiler, reversing camera as well, because obviously it's got the 360 parallel park cameras, electric tailgate, and then we do have, never seen this before, illuminated aluminium tread plate as you go in the boot, and then we have a full-size spare wheel with a brand new tyre on, never been used. Again, factory option, seat releases in the rear. Nice options then if you also want to drop the seats. But from every angle, the Jaguar F-Paces are always fantastic condition. Fantastic car to drive. I've had 3 of these personally, or my wife has. Lovely car, 2-litre diesels. They are a 180 brake horsepower engine and capable of well over 40 miles to the gallon. Cameras underneath the mirrors there, as you can see as well. We do have blind spot monitoring system, so I'll wipe the water off and it flashes a yellow light there if somebody's at the side of you. Now there you go, deployable side steps. Now I've seen them on Velars and Range Rovers, but not on Jaguars. Do say Jaguar on it as it pops in. You can switch them off as well on the centre console, so if they're in your legs or in your way, but as soon as you open the door they will pop out. Now this particular model has the most beautiful interior. So we've got the black and pimento grey, that's that. It's a beautiful light grey centre. We've got a contrast stitch on there also, but the seat base and the seat back are all in wonderful condition. As I say, it's only done over 25,000 miles, this car, in 5 years. Okay, so here we go. Power folding mirrors, Meridian sound system. We've got ambient lighting system as well, so blue lights in there. As I jump in, we've got lane change assist and warning, driver condition monitor. I've actually listed all the extras on the advert. We specification checked it against HPI when it was built. 25,356 miles as I start the car up now. Turn that down. Now we've got an interactive dash, so you can have the satellite navigation on that screen as well. And as we go through the system, we can jump up and down and run through it. But then we've got head-up display. I don't know if you can see the speedometer there on the dashboard itself. as I say, the interactive monitor dashboard there. You've got all the controls in the corner. So as we go through, up and down. Driver assistance, so blind spot monitoring, lane change, keep assistance, reverse traffic detection. Some beautiful options on this car, as I say. Trip computer, vehicle settings, head-up display, source, display settings. You've got everything. You can play around with that. So the satellite navigation comes up on that screen. We've then got cold climate pack, so heated front seats, heated steering wheel, heated front windscreen, heated rear seats. Then we've got the later digital surround sound. We've got parallel parking system, so the car will park itself if you trust it that much. I'm not saying I would. We've got the heated seats, as you can see there. Go to the home menu. We can scroll through then the in-app control, web browser, Bluetooth, deployable side steps are there, so we can switch them off. Deployable side steps off, so when you open the door they don't come on. Jump back through the screen. We then have the all surface information system, so you can adjust the system, as I believe. I've not really read up on that one yet, but obviously everything's there. Super high spec, as I say. There is your 360 surround cameras. You can adjust them on this one here. So 360. We've got then cameras either side. There we go. I'll have a look at that side. Let's have a look at the front. Either side, rear and side. So you can have whatever you want. Let's have a look at the front and side. Oh, I'm not near that curve now. Let's have a look at. So there you go. You get the idea, don't you? You can see how far you're off the curb. You're not going to curb your wheels with that, are you? CD player, heated front window for in winter, quick clear melts. We've got a 6-speed manual transmission. We can adjust our driver information system there, and then we've got the glorious panoramic glass roof. Shows you all the rain. Auto dimming mirrors. As I say, we've got blind spot monitoring, as you can see on that one there. Well, a wonderful, wonderful car. There's your parking on there as well. So the interactive dash is lovely throughout. You can have it there, so you can turn everything off. Do whatever you want with this. It's absolutely brilliant. Lovely in the hand there. Now it's nice and warm. R Sport steering wheel, automatic wipers, automatic headlamps, touch key shuts. We've got all the service documentation for it. It's been very, very well maintained. These cars are serviced every 2 years or 21,000 miles. There's your deployable side steps yet again. Jumping in the rear now, we've got electric seats, so we recline those, or you can bring them up with this little button here. Again, very, very nice option. Never seen that on F-Pace. I've had it in, as I say, Land Rovers, but this must have been a showroom car for Jaguar. We've got 2 USBs and a 12 volt, and heated rear seats, and also climate vents in the rear. So that's got the approval from Graham here in Wigan. That is a wonderful car, with only 25,000 miles on it, 2 keys, with all the bells and whistles. Let's just put those side steps out there so you can see, even with the back chair, so if you've got children they can stand on them and climb in. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Lovely car that, isn't it, guys? So over 13,000, 14,000 pounds worth of bits on it, in exceptional condition, with a black package, with a panoramic roof, with everything you'd want on a Jaguar F-Pace. So, if you'd like to buy this car, give us a call here in Wigan. We'll take a £250 deposit, get it ready for you. If you've got a part exchange, we'll take that in, and if you've got finance, we can do that as well. But as for now, sorry about the weather, the wind and the rain, but keep safe. Thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to inquiry.